I don't know whether then I may be sounding little tough and highly intellectual, but please understand this is very simple. Go back from the hotel as a newly born person. A chota bacho. Newly born. Free of mind. Okay? Second one. Newborns have no fears. Come on, when you travel in the flight, sometimes the flight may jump into air pockets. Yes or no? So flight will be dancing little bit. Last 2 weeks back, I was traveling from Gwalior to Mumbai in an 8-hour flight, 3 hours. My God, it was really a torture. Gwalior is in Chota airport, but now they have Maharao Scindia's son, what is his name? Jyotiraditya Scindia. Jyotiraditya Scindia is the aviation minister. He is from Gwalior. He is planning to build a new airport and all. But it was actually the journey 3 hours from Gwalior to Bangalore was not at all a pleasant journey. So we were all actually, it was jumping like that. So when the flight is really jumping, grown-up adult passengers will look scary and fearful. Yes or no? Yes. Chota bacho, nothing. They will enjoy, they will smile. They have no fear. Serially? Yes. So, when I asked Serially in Malayalam, North Indians are telling yes. Malayalis are not telling yes. That is Malayali and North Indian difference. Malayali okay. So come to the point. So the children who will enjoy that flight, a 2 years old boy or a 2-month-old boy or a 6-month-old girl, that girl or boy never knows the flight is going through turbulent weather. Mosam Garab, something like that. Yes or no? Yes. So newborns have no fears. Go out of the hotel with no fear in your mind. I am going to be diamond. I don't want to fear anything in this world. Okay. Now, no prejudices. Newly born people will not carry negative opinion about others. What is prejudice? Suppose some of you, my North Indian friends who are sitting over here, the moment you started listening to me speaking in English, some of you will carry a prejudice. This fellow is speaking in English, I will not understand anything. If even before I speak, you think that, oh, the next speaker is somebody from Kerala, he will definitely speak in English only, so I am not going to understand, so whenever I will sleep comfortably. If you carry such an opinion even before you started listening to me, that is what is called a prejudice. Yes or no? Yes. When you go and meet a prospective customer person, and her name is written over her, Alison Felix. Okay. She's an American athlete. This photo, beautiful photo. She was walking to Tokyo Olympic Stadium to run. You know, recently Olympics happened in Tokyo. Remember that? Olympics was scheduled to take place in 2020. Because of Corona, they extended and Olympics took place in 2021. Okay, 3-4 months back. She is going to the stadium to run with her 2.5-year-old girl. What is written on the t-shirt of the girl? My mom is faster than your mom. That is what the girl wrote. Somebody took the photo, somebody posted it in Insta, it became a huge viral photo. Now, flashback. Excuse me, flashback. Alison Felix was a lady who came to Tokyo with 9 medals in Olympics. 6 gold medals and 3 silver medals. Total 9 medals. In 2018, she became pregnant. She conceived. And her surgery was a very, very complicated cesarean surgery. Very complicated. Luckily, God is great. Nothing happened. Either to the mom or to the child. After the huge surgery, she could not go and practice once again for 7-8 months. She had to take rest at home. She was the brand ambassador of a company called Nike. You know Nike? Yes. Can anybody tell me the tagline of Nike? Just do it. It is not tagline, it is a mark. Just do it. World #1 sports goods manufacturing company, Nike. Yeah. Okay, Nike. Okay. So, she was a brand ambassador. When she became pregnant and delivered the child, Nike company told that, madam, sorry, we will cut your remuneration by 70%. We can give you only 30% of the money we offered. Why? She asked. Madam, your career is over. Now you cannot perform. Surgery, operation, you became a mother. Now why should we waste our money to give a spokesperson who lost the career? We want a big one. We want new people. She again requested. They told, madam, know your place. K-N-O-W. Know your place.
And it is much important. The day when I met Vaman sir, I was just a 24-year-old boy. I was recently married. My wife was there and we were on a honeymoon trip. Knowingly or unknowingly, I taken my wife along with me to this training program at Wayanad, and Wayanad is a tourist destination. And I am very happy to tell you, because of me or because of sir's training, sir, please give it. My wife also attended the training, and after that, she never told me anywhere any wrong comment which will demotivate me or which will kill my inspiration. He or she always supported me. I believe strongly that's blessing of Almighty, and second, that's the power of a single training Advocate A.V. Vamana Kumar given me. Me and my family, not only to me and my family, even my coming generation. I know sir came here not for any other interest, only with an interest to contribute something for me, for Anup sir, for Anish sir, for you all and their team leaders. And we want to give, I will be inviting him as a special invitee on 22/22, the historical day of Indian flag flying on the stage. And there will be a big memento. We will be presenting to him as guest of honor. And I want you all people on the stage. I don't know whether you noticed or didn't notice Diamond Hand. Mission Impossible. The world will say Mission Impossible. But it is mission. That yen you have seen, that is our national flag. The whole nation, the whole district, we will fill with the 210,000 achievers. And then 210 diamonds by 2025. You see the diamonds are moving, right? In upward direction. There is only one intention, that is to create you as diamonds and make your upcoming generations happy and satisfied. And this is webinar 1 and that is webinar 2. If I am wrong, that is webinar 1. 1, 2, 3. This will close. That also can be closed.
So we have two participants here. So it divides the venue as three different parts.
Webinar 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All these three halls also booked for same day. Here even nobody is entering on that day. Okay? And a beautiful lunch, specially prepared under the supervision of the world leaders in kitchen and culinary and hospitality. They will do the needful, and no place will be omitted. Everything will be included, and there will be live music programs, live band going on when you have lunch. There will be a projector which is coming down when they put a switch on. You can find some projectors here or there somewhere like that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why?
Screen is there. Oh, that's
Over there. Okay, and same place everywhere it is there. Three program will go on same time. We will give this for Bihu. They will prepare. That time Malayalam song will take place the last. Then we will make a noise. Then the second stage. Then the third stage. People will enjoy their lunch. We will have two tight high teas. Right, no, sir? We will have two high teas. Correct, no?
Yeah. Morning and evening.
Two high teas, one in the morning, one in the evening. When I had a small
Yes, sir.
tea and one biscuit, they charge around 475 rupees. Because I am known to them, otherwise it will charge 1000 plus.
हाँ
Once I was asking, please give me the whole, they are asking my
ठीक
profile.
ठीक ठीक वाह ठीक
They are asking my profile. आपको तो पता ही है मैं क्या उल्टा पूछूंगा।
Okay.
बोला आपका प्रोफाइल पहले दिखाओ, बाद में अपना प्रोफाइल दिखाएंगे। हमने तो यही सीखा है, कस्टमर इज किंग इन द मार्केट। हमें उन लोगों से इतना अच्छा नहीं लगता जो बिजनेस करते हैं, उसके बाद थोड़ा बहुत ईगो दिखाते, राइट ना। जिनको बात समझ में आ गया, फिर दोबारा नहीं पूछा है, तो फिर अपना प्रोफाइल तो कभी जिंदगी में नहीं दूंगा। उसके बाद मुझे पूछे विजिटिंग कार्ड कहाँ है। सुनील जी, मैंने कभी विजिटिंग कार्ड बनाते हुए देखा आपने देखा क्या? नहीं, विजिटिंग कार्ड के बिना पूरा दुनिया जानना है, ये मेरी लिखा हुआ सपना है। भैया आपकी वजह से देख रहा है ये सपना। मेरा बेइज्जती नहीं करना, थोड़ा बहुत ठीक होके काम कर दो।
Yes.
रिजू बर्थाकुर
Yes, yes.
करीबो करीबो
Yes, sir. Koribo. Koribo, koribo.
चला गया।